Hey guys, for today's video, I'll be sharing how I installed a camera mount into DJI Avata. Let's see how Avata can hold a DJI Action 3 and Insta360 Go 2. We need to first remove the two screws located at the top side of Avata. Once removed, we can now attach the camera mount. You can check out the description if you want to know more on the mount. Looks like the tool I'm using is too fat and can't reach the screw. Good thing is that the tool that comes with Avata is perfect tool to use for this job. Let's try this again. Okay, this is perfect. See now, if we can attach Insta360 Go 2 or the DJI Action 3. With DJI Action 3, it looks good. My Insta360 Go 2 does not have any accessories that can be used to attach on the mount. So I have to buy another accessory to grip the camera and attach to the mount. Check the description to find out more about the adapter and protective frame I bought for Go 2. Insta360 Go 2 also looks excellent. Now's the moment of truth. Let's try the two cameras on this mount. Let's see if Avata can carry these cameras. First with Go 2. With Go 2, it wasn't bad. Seems like it did not bother Avata. Now with the heavier DJI Action 3 camera. Avata is struggling. Listen to that sound. That sounds like a disaster in the making. Let's just try again with an adjusted angle. Avata struggled a lot. Okay, I'm not ready to crash my Avata. Let's forget about using Action 3. Time for some sample footage from Go 2 and Avata. Is the mount a waste of money? Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching, see you on the next.